Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode, and on today's episode I will be showing you how to make some money from the Vaulta liquidity pool returns program on Bybit. First things first, before we start, let's look up what is the liquidity pool returns program and how does one make money through the liquidity pool program. So I will search on my chat GPT. What is liquidity pool returns in crypto? As you can see from our research, we get to know that liquidity pool return in crypto refers to the earnings a user receives for depositing assets into a liquidity pool, which is a smart contract that facilitates decentralized trading, lending, or decentralized finance functions. And so with that, how does one make money through the liquidity pool returns program? As you can see, you make money through trading fees, liquidity mining or yield farming rewards, price changes, and staking incentives. And that happens when you deposit your money into the liquidity pool returns programs company. And with that being said and done, let me show you how to do it. So I will go back to my Bybit, and as you can see my crypto portfolio, I have crypto worth 108 USDT, and I will be using the whole amount to make profit from it. Making profit is a 3 simple step procedure, so stay with me as I take you through it. First things first, as you can see my portfolio, the crypto is in USDT form, so I will convert my USDT into the Vaulta coin. I will click on the USDT. I will choose the convert option below. I will search for the Vaulta coin and select it. I will input the maximum amount and quote my conversion and confirm it. And with that being done, as you can see, I have completed the first step. So I will view my assets. And as you can see, I have Vaulta worth 343.3. So now on to the second step, which is copying my memo. And how do I copy my memo? I will click on the Vaulta coin. I will click on the deposit option below. I will choose deposit crypto. I will search for the Vaulta coin and select it. I will confirm the Vaulta network. And as you can see, I have been provided with my memo. And where am I copying my memo? My memo is very important because this is what will be used by the company to send back to me my profits. So always ensure that you copy it successfully, just as I have done. And with that being done, we have completed the second step. So I will go back to my assets. And now on to the third and final step, which is depositing into the liquidity pool returns program. And how do I do it? I will select on the Vaulta coin. I will click on withdraw. I will do an on-chain withdrawal. And as you can see, I have been provided with the withdrawal page. And this is where you need to be very keen as I input the details to avoid losing any funds. So I will start by inputting the smart contract address of the company offering profits from the Vaulta liquidity pool returns program, which is orbitnode.gm. Always ensure that you input the correct spelling to avoid losing any funds. I will proceed to the network and select the Vaulta network. I will proceed to the tag or memo. Remember that we copied it earlier, and my work is just to paste it successfully just as I have done. And to remind you once again, the memo is very important because this is what will be used by the company to send back to you your profits. I will proceed to the amount and input the maximum amount. So I will confirm everything from the address, which is orbitnode.gm, to the network Vaulta, the memo correctly pasted, and the amount, and proceed to withdraw and confirm. So as you can see, upon confirmation, the withdrawal application is submitted successfully. So I will view on its history. And as you can see, it is in progress, and at this stage all I have to do is await for it to be completed. And so, as you can see, my withdrawal has been completed, which means that now I have provided liquidity successfully to the company. So I will go back to check on my assets. And at this stage, all I have to do is keep on refreshing and awaiting to receive my deposits and profits from the liquidity pool returns company, which usually takes less than 10 minutes. So as you can see, I am still refreshing and awaiting to receive my profits from the Vaulta liquidity pool returns program. So as you can see, my profits deposit is successful. So I will refresh my wallet. And as you can see, my balance is 119 from the 108 that I used, meaning that I have made a profit of $11 from one cycle. Remember, you're not limited to one cycle, but you can do up to 5 cycles a day. And as I always advise people, as you can see from my previous videos, the higher the amount that you invest in the liquidity pool returns profits, the higher the profits you get to make from the program. Also remember, the procedure is all the same across all platforms where the Vaulta coin is listed, such as Binance and any other platform that the Vaulta coin is listed. Also remember, if you do not have Bybit, you can check my previous or pinned videos in which I have used Binance to make profit from other liquidity pool returns program. With that being said and done, friends, as simple as that is how you make profit from the Vaulta liquidity pool returns program on Bybit. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me out in my DM, or you can send me a message via the WhatsApp number on my bio or the Telegram link on my bio, and I will get back to you within no time. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next episode.